When I decided to serve for the board, it came from education work. I'm a teacher myself, and really what was important for me was for my students to have the best education possible. But I know that started at BCSD. I'm a high school teacher, and the kids that I get, well, they're already grown up almost. So what really got me into it was wanting better for my own students, and it was really the next logical step in terms of the real work that needs to happen. Happens in the classroom, but it also happens at a systemic level. So my grandma worked at Colonel Nichols Elementary as a cafeteria worker. So I would go to lunch and say hi to my grandma while I grabbed lunch and had that in the cafeteria. So as far back as I can remember, school meant BCSD. I grew up in those halls, and it was fun. It was some of my favorite memories in those schools. And there was tough times too, but I truly valued what BCSD was. For me, education is, it's a phrase that I stole from an old teacher of mine, is a great equalizer. Everybody can come to school, and everybody can have the opportunity to go to college, have their career, do whatever they want, as long as they're successful in schools. And for me, that's my passion. It's what I care about in the classroom. So the work that I do here directly affects my own kids. I am so happy that BCSD is really pouring so much work into the arts, but as well as technology. What we do with robotics, what we do with music, and what Mike Stone does with the gallery in the halls is truly amazing work. It gives me hope for education. There's a lot of worries that I have about the future of education, but when kids are doing hands-on stuff, it matters, and I see it happening here. I'm really hopeful that our students are really going to be prepared for the future. We do a lot here to be sure that the education is relevant, that the rigor is there, that they are ready for the future. It's hard to think about that when they're little kids, little tiny kids who just love having fun. But what we do here is going to inform their adult lives. What we pour into them here is going to matter. So that's really what I'm looking forward to as these kids grow up.